I really like the new M2, but there's only one thing really missing, and that is a brutal sound. So you buy a new BMW M2, you pay a lot of money and you expect a performance car. And yes, it's got a lot of horses, so it's got the performance, but there's one thing really missing, and that's the sound. Therefore, Acrapovic. In this case, it's only a slip-on system, and I say only because we can also do with the link pipes or with the downpipes included. But this is the lightest, mildest version. But to hear the sound, we need to drive. The peace. It's so quiet in here. And it's still with an Akrapovic slip-on system. And the most beautiful part about it is when you press the M mode. And immediately you can hear the burble sound. It's not too exaggerated, it's still doable for daily driving, but it's there and it finally sounds like a performance car. What a sound, what a sound. Wow. The slip-on system is made of high-grade titanium. That's what Acrapovic is known for. But in this case you can choose two types of tailpipes. And we chose the octagonal tailpipe, so it's got the curves in it. Besides that, there's also a performance increase in weight. It's got 7 kilos less than the original system, and that's more than 30%. But also a power increase of 5 horsepower, and it doesn't sound like much, but this is only, remember, only the slip-on system. So a lot more to come. So much better. It's insane. It's insane. This is why I love Acrapovic. Love it. So, if you'd like to learn more about the system, click down on the link below.